Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So a lot of people are facing issues with creating playlist in the YouTube Music app of this watch. So they are either not able to create the playlist, and they are also not able to view and listen to songs from the playlist in this app. So in this video I will discuss how you can rectify this error of playlist and how you can create playlist, add your favorite songs in the playlist, and also access them from the watch and listen to it anytime. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is a great watch to have, and it has all the features of a smartwatch, including the Wear OS features like installing apps and listening to music, and also you can store and download music from the online streaming platforms like the YouTube Music and Spotify. So first, to access the music in the YouTube Music app, you need to download the app from the Play Store. So if I go to Play Store, you will get the app in there. So obviously you need to search the app in the Play Store, and once you got that, you need to install. So I have already installed the app, and this is showing in the menu of the watch. So if I open the YouTube Music app, you will see that I will go directly to the downloads, and also it will show me some of the mixtapes which it will be creating on the listening activity in my YouTube Music or YouTube app. So it has already created some of the playlist which I can open and listen to songs, and it is also recommending me the songs or the mix it has created from my listening habits or what I will be listening in there. So in order to access the playlist, you need to obviously come in the library, and in the library you will see the option of playlist. So if you are not seeing the option of playlist, make sure you have updated the YouTube Music app both on your phone and on your smartwatch. Definitely you will need the premium version of YouTube in order to download and access songs from the playlist in this watch. So obviously here you will see all the playlists which I have created. So first of all, to create any playlist, you need to come to your YouTube Music app in the phone. So here is my YouTube Music app which I have installed on my phone, and to create any of the playlist in there, I need to come to library, and here I will get the playlist option. So in the playlist option, I will get the already created playlist, and I can add any playlist of my choice. So here I am creating a new playlist, and you will see that the playlist has been created with the name of Samsung, and here I can add any song of my choice. So to add any song, I need to click on this button, and this song has been added to the playlist. And you can add as many songs as you want, and it will be added to the playlist which you have created. So now let's see what happens to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and whether the playlist has been synced to the YouTube Music app in this watch also. So I just opened the YouTube Music app. You can see that the Samsung playlist has been synced, and obviously it will give me the option to play the song and also to download the song which I have added in this playlist. Let's download the song and play it from here first. I have only added one song in here. So once I click on download, you will see a nice animation will be going on in the watch to download the song, and once it will be downloaded, it will show a tick sign, which means this song has been downloaded. Right now it is getting downloaded, so let's play some song which has been already downloaded in the playlist of No Copyright Music. So I am playing one song which I have downloaded in my No Copyright Music playlist. So you can see you can access and play the music from the YouTube Music app without any issues. I will recommend you to download the music on the watch, and you can access them offline also if you have downloaded it. And in the library also you can access them from the last played. So definitely this is the way you can access, create and listen to songs from the playlist, and also download and keep it on your watch. And you can obviously create as many playlists on your phone to access them on your watch. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you that how you can create playlist and access them from your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 without any issues. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.